was over there by the Arkansas secondary. He got a step and a half on him, and ball was moved and rolled, but was stripped there by the defender.
He made a great play. Got the hand in there, knocked it out before he could get the control. Here's the punt by Campbell. He Adams calls the fair catch. It fumbles in. It's on the ground and goes down and grabs it on one hop on the knee there. And Arkansas will have it at the 26-yard line.
What's up, boys? You're over here running down the middle.
5:33 to go in the third quarter. Boy, almost.
Down at 21.7. I done got off of the median out in the field.
This is a 44-yard punt, no return. Now the Razorbacks
We're fixing to win. I'm getting 26.
That's why you never give up
Down
the
here.
defensive back there.
We're winning. We won't put that right there.